Welcome to Victory Star Design, where web designers meet clientele and clientele meet web designers. The goal of our website is to allow clientele and web designers alike to find the perfect match, to find new jobs, to get jobs done. This is our homepage. On our homepage, we have on our left-hand side what our company designs, or what we offer to our users. As a user, you will have to sign up to join our company. And if you're already a user, you can either log in. So let's go through the registration page. If we click on sign up, it'll lead us to our registration page where it will ask you your first name. So for this example, I will use mine. And you would have to enter a username. So I will make one up quick. And a password. Then we would ask you for your email. And then you would click submit to finish registering. So now let's say you already had a login. So let's log out and then say we had a login. From here, this will bring you to your dashboard page. On your dashboard page, you'll be able to access your projects for what's coming up, what you're doing, and what you seem to have fallen behind on. You can search for possible job leads, or you can edit your account. On your main dashboard though, you do have your main profile, so it will tell you your basic information about yourself, and over to your left you have your dashboard. On your dashboard you have a save for your projects, you have a calendar, a search, and a share. So let's go to our projects page. On our projects page, we have a little dialog box that informs you what you can do here on the page. From there, we do have a search function which will allow you to test for different things and find certain projects. For this example, we'll be adding a project to our functionality. So we would just come over to our add button and a modal will pop up where you could type in your project name. So let's just call this project test. We'll give it a description of test and a due date from our date picker of April 10th. Then here we can choose if it's completed, if it's on time, if it's ready to go, or if there's an error. So let's just say this one happens to have an error. So it's urgently needed. And here we can see our process bar that would load right up and tell us that everything has been completed. So for there, if let's say we had a test from earlier, let's say one of these tests will delete just to show that we can delete. And now that test is gone. So from here you can either edit or delete your findings while being able to set things in order. So let's say I have my original test, test 1, and our final test. So for next, we're going to look at some of the highlights of this. So first we have our search bar that has an autocomplete feature. As you type, it will automatically complete to things that have been registered beforehand. We have our modal, which is our date picker and all that. We have our progress bar, and we have custom buttons for our logout and sign-ins. So let's take a look at some of the JavaScript. Let's exit out of here, and here we have some of the JavaScript. Some of the JavaScript for this will allow certain things to work on a server. So let's do some examples of some of the newer modals, or applications, or plugins as you may call them. So we're going to start with we'll start right here for the progress bar, or the sortable, or the date picker. So for date picker, we're basically calling the plugin date picker and putting it into our index page from our class. And down here, our sortable would be an ID of sortable, and it's pulling the plugin for sortables. And here would be to disable the selection. For the progress bar, right here we have some basic functions that tell how fast it's going to go or how much it's going to load to. And our dialog box is popping up another plugin for dialog, where our function, we have tags that we can edit and put basic words or stuff for autocomplete to do, as well as having a button design. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.